Alrighty, boys and girls, we've got the Summit 8722 R1 cam put in the forged 408 in the C5 Corvette. I know it's listed as a turbo cam, but we're running it with a LSA PD blower. Rev it up a couple of times. Been very happy with this cam so far. I think it's a good fit for 408 cubic inches. I think even Summit Racing was pretty excited for me to try it in the PD blower application. But yeah, I love it. Works good, sounds good, reasonably easy to tune. And hopefully we'll get it back on the dyno here pretty soon. I'm going to also attach some sound clips of ripping on it going down the road for your enjoyment. So anyways, I know a lot of people like to hear what cams sound like before they buy them, so hopefully this helps somebody make a decision. We'll see you on the next one.